Hello everyone, this is Nikita Samson and welcome back to Kids World Fantasy. We all waste water. Water is precious, so we need to try and save it. To conserve water at home, I am making a simple drip irrigation system. Usually, we waste a lot of water for our plants. This could waste a lot of water. We need plastic bottles for each plant to do this. Let's cut the bottom of a bottle like this. Cut it off. And then you need to close the bottle with a lid. Close it tight. The next step is to make 1 or 2 small holes by the neck of the bottle. Now my drip irrigation system is ready. You can keep this in your pots. Fill it with water and it will start dripping slowly. Your plants will get water throughout the day. This keeps the soil always wet. By doing this, we won't be wasting any water. When the water is over, we can refill it. We can make as many bottles as we like for this. For trees, you can do this with a bigger bottle. And you may put more holes. This will help everyone to conserve water. Save water!